welcome back to our channel Mathematics and Beyond, and today we are going to practice some questions based on our chapter probability of class 8. So as on our previous videos we have uploaded this chapter's explanation, so do check it out. Now without wasting much time we have to get started with the question video. So our today's first question is write the outcomes of the following. So there are three parts. First part says square numbers between 1 and 30. So there are four square numbers which are 4, 9, 16 and 25. How? 4 is 2 raised to the power 2, 9 is 3 raised to the power 2, 16 is 4 raised to the power 2 and 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. Fine. So B part says vowels in English alphabet. So as we all are familiar that there are 5 vowels in our English alphabet. Those are A, E, I, O and U. Okay, so our C part says months having less than 30 days. So we know there is only one month which is having less than 30 days, which is February, and it is having only 28 days. Now let's move to question number 2. So this question is a very important question. This question says, what is the probability of getting a prime number on rolling a dice? So first of all, we will take out the sample space. Sample space we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and events are the favorable outcomes which are 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 are the only prime numbers in our sample space. Now the formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So probability of event, even we can denote as E, is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's move to a third question. Third question says that in a bag there are 5 red, 6 green and 7 blue marbles. So one marble is picked up randomly, so you have to tell that what is the probability that the marble which is picked up is neither green nor red. So first of all we will take out the total number of marbles, which is 5 red marbles plus 6 green marbles plus 7 blue marbles, which is equal to 18. So as mentioned in your question, it is written that marble which is picked is neither green nor red, and we can imagine, we can take that if the marble is neither green nor red, then only one marble is left, which is the blue marble. So we will take out the probability of blue marble, which is 7 by 18. Now let's get to our next question, number 4. So our question number 4 says, what is the probability that a number picked from 1 to 100 is divisible only by 3 but not by 9? So first we will take out the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 3, 6, 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 33, 39, 42, 48, 51, 57, 60, 66, 69, 75, 84, 87, 93 and 96. These are the only numbers which are only divisible by 3 but not by 9. So now comes the turn of the formula. The formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes as mentioned in the question is 100. So probability of getting a number divisible only by 3 but not by 9 is 22 by 100. These favorable outcomes we will count. These are 22. Okay, so by simplification it will be 11 by 50. Let's move to our question number 5. Now, question number 5 says that what is the probability that a letter picked from a sister's name is a vowel? So here you can take your sister's name also, or you can take any name. I have taken the name Anjali. So in the word Anjali there comes 3 vowels, which are A, and I. So number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes are 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now let's get to question number 6. So question number 6 says that in a lottery there are 45 blanks and 15 prizes. When a random draw is made, find the probability of the following. So before taking out the parts answer, we keep in mind that we have to write three things. That is, for sample space, only if the total number of outcomes are not given, and second is total number of outcomes, and third is the formula, which is very necessary. Now here we have written total number of outcomes. These are 45 plus 15, which is 60. First part is a blank. So blank are 45 and total number of outcomes are 60. As in our formula it is mentioned. So these are 3 by 4. Now a prize, 15 prizes and total outcome 60, so 1 by 4. I hope you understood this question. Now let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 says numbers from 1 to 20 are written on separate sheets. So the sheets are kept in a jar and a jar is shaken well to mix the sheets. So a sheet is chosen from the jar, so you have to tell that what is the probability of getting the following. So in previous question only I said you, if it is necessary to write the total number of outcomes, you will write. But here we are not written because it is mentioned from 1 to 20. Okay, so we will write the sample space. Sample space we have written numbers from 1 to 20. Now formula, probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now first part says getting an even number. So probability of an even number is 10 by 20. You can count in the sample space. The even number are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Those are 10. So 10 by 20. On simplification it is 1 by 2, which is half. Now let's get to our B part. Our B part says getting a two-digit number. So two-digit number in our sample space we can see two-digit number. We can count two-digit number are 11, and if we will put on total number of outcomes, it is 11 by 20. Now C part, getting a number greater than 16. So probability of number greater than 16, in which we will not count the number 16 itself. We will count the numbers which are after 16. 16 after 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 4 by 20 gives us 1 by 5. D part says getting a prime number. So probability of prime number is 8 by 20, which is 2 by 5 on simplification. Now let's get to our part E. Part E says getting an odd number. So odd number probability is 10 by 20, which is 1 by 2. F part, getting a number less than 11. So probability of number less than 11 is 10 by 20, in which we will not count the number 11 itself. Okay, so simplification is 1 by 2. Now these all parts you have to check from its sample space. It is very necessary. Was a very important question. Let's move further. Now, this is our question number 8. It says, a coin is tossed thrice. So, write the possible outcomes of this experiment. Okay, so we will write the sample space for this question. We will write the outcomes of this experiment. I explained you this question in our explanation, so do check it out. Now we will write H, 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 T, H, T, T, H, T, H, T, H, H, T, T, H, T, H, T, and T, T, T. Okay, so this will be the answer. How will you write? You will check. You will not toss the coin, but you will just imagine that what outcomes can come. What are the possibilities? Okay. So now we have completed with the chapter's question. Now let's do a short summary by filling the blanks. Now filling the blanks. First, probability is a chance of an outcome. Second, the results of an experiment are called its outcomes. Third, rolling die is an example of equally likely outcomes. Fourth says the outcomes of tossing a dice twice are HHTT. So this question is a bit similar from the previous eighth question. That question says thrice, but this question says twice. Okay. So fifth is a set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. So we have completed this chapter. We have completed this chapter's question and answer. So I hope you all understood this and you like it also. So do share it with everyone and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and you can keep on suggesting more ideas if you want to in our comment section. Thank you very much for watching this.